Rap battles of history. Hydrogen bomb versus coughing baby. Begin.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
Diabetes.
You guys say Colorado.
Ryan!
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
No off-topic questions. Because I don't want to. No, permission denied. That's an off-topic questions. Next, you have been stopped.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Patricia!
Get it together, sweetie. We have a show this weekend.
Hey, kids!
Patricia!
Honey, can you be quiet? I'm just trying to do
Squash banana,
Wait, what? You're not coming to my tea party? Bethany, I made biscuits!
I don't fucking like you.
What?
I said I don't fucking like you.
You don't like me?
No.
Look. Bitch, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Look at all those chickens. Hey, I think you're really cool. I like you a lot. Maybe we can hang out or something.
Johnny has 19 bottles of dish soap, and he gets Gina. Wait, why does Johnny have so many soaps? Mind your business, David!
Arthur, get out of the tank.
You're not my dad.
Get out of the fucking tank. I am your dad.
You're not my dad.
I am your dad. Get out of the fucking tank.
I'm in a tank
Hey,
and you're not.
I will call
I'm
Mr.
literally
Middleton.
in
Get
a
out of the fucking tank.
I'm literally in a tank.
Get out of the
You're not my dad.
Literally get out of the tank.
Tell Major Middleton. I don't give a fuck.
Get out of the fucking tank.
No.
Okay.
Hey, Duck. You're no good, Duck. You never be shit. You're just like your father.
Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.